Drink soy milk, oat milk, rice milk, almond milk. Don't steal milk from a cow. Be vegan, start right now. Follow that vegan teacher, she will show you how.
Oh, hello, vegan. So apparently you think that my methods leave something to be desired, and you would prefer that I do my activism in a different way, right? So let me ask you this. Who the fuck are you? What do you look like? What exactly do you stand for? Why do I not know your face and who you are? You know why? Because your methods leave something to be desired. You're not out there enough. You're not bold enough. You're not unique enough. You're not different enough. Nobody gives a fuck about what you're doing. So get out there and be more vigilant for the animals. Make sure that I know who you are, I know what your face looks like, and I know what you stand for. That's your homework.
Veggies, fruits, nuts and seeds, put in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so be vegan and open up your heart.
Okay, so supposedly this guy's a chef. Let's see what he's cooking. Flesh in a pan? No. Animals are not our slaves. We don't enslave animals. We don't use them as objects. Real chefs cook vegetables, not sentient beings. Every chef's responsibility is to be as vegan as possible and to start right away. Do it.
Run, run, run from humans. They're trying to stab you. They're trying to murder you, to call you bacon and burn you in a frying pan.
Yeah? Have you tried their cat burgers yet? Apparently they cut off all 4 paws and put them in a bun, and there's something special about the sauce. I don't know. I'm not gonna try it. But hell, you eat pig's ass, so.
Here at the Vegan Shack, we must protect all animals.
Here at the Vegan Shack, we must protect all animals and eat tofu, like Ryan Sutherland told us to.
La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna. La 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 la. Oh my god, it's vegan lasagna.
Okay, so let me get this straight. Your comment says, not that you ate a turkey this past Thanksgiving, but that you eat turkey. This implies that the following Thanksgiving, whenever that is going to be a time where you are going to pay money to somebody to slit the throat of an animal who didn't want to die. And by the way, do you know what they do to turkeys? Turkeys are bred so big that they can't even have sex normally. They need the males to be masturbated and that sperm inserted into a female who is pinned down and waving and giving every single sign that she doesn't want to be touched. It is horrific what we do to animals. Now, how would you feel if somebody told you that they were not racist except for one day of the year? Would you be like, that's fine, as long as most of the time you're not racist? Or would you say, fuck that. You're either racist or you're not. And if you decide you're not racist, then you're not going to take a day off from your anti-racism stance and decide to be racist just because it is what? Thanksgiving? It makes no logical sense what you're saying. If you know that hurting animals is wrong, then you stop hurting animals. Not on Meatless Monday, not on whatever other excuse day there is, not on Christmas, not on Easter, not on Valentine's Day, not on Thanksgiving Day. You never eat the victims. You never pay people to hurt them. If you can't understand it, just try to put yourself in their position. How would you feel if someone decided that they wanted to hurt you one day of the year, but all the rest of the time, they'll be nice to you? How fucked up is that? Would you be okay with a spouse who beats his wife? Only one day of the year, though. But hey, you know, it's tradition to do it every Thanksgiving or whatever the heck it is. Insanity. Why are you even asking me that question? You know the answer. You know it intellectually, and you also know it in your heart. Stop hurting animals. Become vegan right now.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Okay, so let me get this straight. You decided to lie to your 6-year-old sister and tell her that what? Heaven exists? That after she dies, she's gonna, what, grow some wings and fly around among the clouds? What else are you lying to her about? At the same time as you're doing all this, are you also shoving dead bodies down her throat? Putting corpses on her plate? Why don't you give her a delicious peanut butter and banana sandwich and go outside and play hide and seek with her? And remind her not to step on ants or to catch butterflies. Remind her that speciesism is the first form of racism. And just be a nice, decent, big sister or big brother, whoever you are. And go vegan. You can totally do it. Wait,
You're opening
what?
your heart, you're opening your mind, you're wonderfully on your way.
Are you talking to me?
Will be your happy vegan
You agree with me?
Hooray!
That's amazing.
And speciesism, and speciesism, and speciesism, be kind to the animals. And veganphobia, and veganphobia, and veganphobia, be kind to the activists. Dance if you're vegan, hands up if you're vegan. Think you can't do it? Try it, you can. Yeah!
So you think that if you have cancer, that you should keep eating the dead animals that caused that cancer to begin with? Are you aware that processed meat is considered a class 1 carcinogen? Yeah. Why would you want to put dead bodies into you in order to get healthy? And diabetes? What you're saying doesn't make any sense. People with diabetes actually get better if they go on a plant-based diet. Yeah. Go and educate yourself a little bit. You'll find out the truth. That you can be vegan. It is best for the animals. We all know that. And it's also pretty good for you.
In the grocery store, you can decide not to buy murder anymore. In the grocery store, you can sing the song, and you can decide to be vegan from now on.
Okay, who do I look like? A big cat. Okay, if you say so. Okay, so you think that nobody can become vegan because of medical conditions. Is that right? Okay. I really don't understand your point. Are you saying that I'm a miracle? I've been vegan since June 27th, 2016. Are you saying that God, Jesus, the universe made me a special miracle? Me and the millions of other vegans out there? Everyone was born vegan, including you. How do you think you survived when you were first born? Your mother's milk was meant for you. It was vegan. Cow's milk never was. Go vegan. Stop making excuses. It is so easy. And for help, just go to howdoigovegan.com.
Go to howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it again. Howdoigovegan.com, sing it with me. Howdoigovegan.com.
Okay, so it upsets you that I tell you that you should stop hurting animals, right? Why would that upset you? If you saw somebody kicking a cat or a dog, wouldn't you tell them to stop hurting those animals? All I'm asking you to do is stop hurting all animals. Cats, chickens, dogs, pigs, lambs, cows, you know? What part of that upsets you so much? Don't you think it's odd that you want to fight for your right to hurt others who are just standing there and who have done nothing wrong to you? Ever? Doesn't that seem weird to you? Seems really strange to me. Just go vegan. It's so easy.
The word vegan means kind to animals. So here's what you just said. Even though you're not kind to animals, you still like vegan pizza. What?
Broccoli, green peppers, mushrooms, tomatoes, artichokes, vegan meat, vegan cheese. Ta-da! It's vegan pizza. Cat milk is for baby cats. Dog milk is for baby dogs. Human milk is for baby humans. And cow's milk is for Gordon Ramsay. What the fuck? How old is he?
Even non-vegan dog food has vegan food in it. Check the ingredients. Look at what's in the fillers. My dog Bella eats 100% vegan dog food minus the dead bodies. Seems kind of normal to me.
Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, vegan dogs can thrive. Vegan dogs are healthy, vegan dogs are happy, so why pay for murder? Keep all the animals alive. Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now.